Okay, so Palantir came out with earnings last night, and guess what? They loved it. The stock popped, and this morning it's gonna open up at a price around, $8.92, and that's gonna put it near major resistance, and I'm gonna show you that later. But let's just look at Palantir over the years, over the last couple of years. I remember this thing. Oh man, it IPO'd, and if you got in, everyone made money. I mean, it opened up somewhere around $9.50 and all the way up to $44. The stock was loved. It wanted to be loved. Many people made money, but I also think many people lost money because they was holding on. They was holding on. This was an incredible run. Incredible. I mean, hey, I gotta admit, I was one of them. I went long around 30 and I got chopped up and it was like, man, this thing ain't going nowhere. So it went up 394% from the IPO. Incredible. I got long somewhere around this area, right here at this level of support, but it was just chopping around, and I eventually got out. I was like, this thing is not going up. Most likely it's probably gonna go down. If you follow my little moving average crossovers, this one right here, you would have got out, but it's a little too soon, right? The lines just got developed, but you would have been out here for sure, which is about $21 or so. And at the same time, it's right there, right? The level of support was broken, and you can see it just free fall down and just goodbye, not coming back, and said it, take it off your watch list. It's done. Until now, of course. But I want you to look at the moving averages. This is the 20 period moving averages and the 9 period. Notice how it still never crossed back over on top. It's getting close to doing that now. But let's go to I'll show you the monthly real quick. There's really nothing to look at the monthly because the stock hasn't been out that much, just a couple of years. But you can see that break of support and just collapse, and it's doing absolutely nothing. Let's see if today's move is going to bring it, give it alive. So let's see if today's move is going to bring it alive. I'm sorry, it's early. Okay, so the stock is going to open up about 17% at $8.93. And if you look really good, that's putting us right at resist. It's gonna open up right there. Now, this is an easy one. I'm gonna say you have to sell this, man. Look, what happened when it reached there? Boom, they sold it hard. It got up to 9 and it took it all the way down to $7.38. What about here? Oh, shoot, they did the same thing. Boom. Okay, the 9, it opened at 9. They brought it down to $7. So someone is here ready to just sell it to you, right? To give you the bag. And I think the same thing is going to happen. Don't know for sure, but here's the thing. When you're looking at charts, all we could do is look in the past, and that's what it's been doing. We have to assume this until it does otherwise. So, when it opens up at that resistance, you don't want to be long. You don't want to get long. Sell what you got and get the hell out. But there's a big but here. This is major resistance, this $9, as you can see, right? You can see the sell-offs, right? Here's the break below. If it was somehow to close above this $9 range, if it can get up here and close up here, actually, I'd like to see a couple of days up here. It's probably the time to get long. And it could be a long, if you know, meaning not like a day trade. I mean, get long like an investment. If it could break this, it's a significant change in the pattern. When's the last time this thing broke any level of resistance? It's like never, just never. So that's a big change. And if it can break that 9, it could possibly just creep ever so slightly higher throughout the year. That's my technical analysis on Palantir. To sum it up, back to the daily, we're gonna open up right around here, man. Let's draw a circle. It's gonna open up right here somewhere, and you gotta sell that. You gotta sell that all day. But if it were to close above that 9, especially for more than one day, it could be a good opportunity to get back on, and then you know where to get out. You get out below 9, right? So this is an easy one. It's a real easy one, right? Sell here. If it closes above there, you know when you get out below 9. Let it prove itself. Let it prove that it's going to go higher, right? It hasn't done that ever. It's just, I don't know. They just like to sell this thing off. Look at when you go to the weekly, or back when it first opened. Remember, the stock was up here, man. They sold this hard. And it's just all day, man, all day. And let's see, it finally has the opportunity to do something different. So let's give it that opportunity. Let's see it make the move. And then we get on that train and ride it back up. All right, this is Dre Trades, man. Subscribe if you like this video. Hit the like button and get in the comments. Tell me what video or what stock you want me to do a technical analysis on. I keep it real simple over here. And you know what? It works. Thanks for watching. It's Dre Trades. I'm out.